Today we are going to discuss the imperfection in solids. What is meant by imperfection in solids? This picture we can find the crystal lattice is imperfect, something are missed. Okay, solids are imperfect. Any irregularity in the pattern of crystal arrangement in a solid lattice is called imperfection of solids. Crystals need not be perfect. They always found to have some defects in the arrangement of their constituent particles. These defects affect the physical and chemical properties of the solid and also play an important role in various processes. For example, a process called doping leads to a crystal imperfection and it increases the electrical conductivity of a semiconductor material such as silicon. The ability of ferromagnetic material such as iron, nickel, etc. to be magnetized and demagnetized depends on the presence of imperfection. Let us discuss what are the classification of crystal defects. There are 4 defects. First one, point defect. Second one, line defects. Third, interfacial defects. Fourth one, volume defects. First, we will see point defect. So what are the classification of point defect? Stoichiometric defect, non-stoichiometric defect, impurity defect. Stoichiometric is divided into 2 types: Schottky defect, another one Frenkel defect. Likewise, non-stoichiometry also are divided into 2 types: metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. So in this chapter we are going to see the stoichiometric defect. So what are Schottky defects and Frenkel defect? Stoichiometric means balanced. The defects are balanced. That is called stoichiometric defect. Non-stoichiometric means the defects are unbalanced. Okay. We move to the next one. Schottky defect. Look at the picture. So in this picture some defects are present. One sodium ion is missed here, is denoted as rose color ball, and here chloride ion are missed. The missing ions, cation, anion, are balancing. The missed ions are balanced. One positive, one negative are missed. That is called Schottky defect. The statement Schottky defect arises due to the missing of equal number of cation and anion from the crystal lattice. Okay, for understanding, I would say one example. In a function, some couples are invited, but one couple did not come to the function. That's for understanding. The places are vacant. That is called Schottky defect. Next, Frankel defect. Look at the picture. The Frankel defect, thus Ag plus ion, the size of the cation is very smaller than the anion. Anion size is very large. Okay, the Ag plus ion are missing, but it goes to the interstitial position. Ag plus is hidden between two larger anion. It is present in the gap. The gap is called interstitial position. Likewise, here one Ag plus ion take a interstitial position. Actually, its place is here. Ag plus is missing. Okay, for understanding, I give one example. In a theater, people are sitting in their chairs. One of them is standing behind the chair, not sitting in his place. He is standing in the gap between the two chairs. That is called interstitial position. Likewise, the Ag plus, it takes place here. That's why called interstitial position. But the Ag plus ion are present in the crystal lattice, but actually it is not in his own place, but is present in crystal lattice. Okay, let us see the statement. Frankel defect arises due to the dislocation of ions from its crystal lattice. The ion which is missing from the lattice points occupies an interstitial position. This defect is shown by ionic solids, in which cation and anion differ in size. Unlike Schottky defect, this defect does not affect the density of the crystal.